Hi Long Beach, my name is Rosa and I'm the owner of West Coast Sweat, and I'm here with the fantastic Christine McCauley. She's one of our amazing teachers, and today we want to continue our posture knowledge in the Bikram Yoga series by talking about toe stand, Padangusthasana. So this posture requires tremendous concentration, and P.S. all of them do. But specifically, as in all the postures, there's different points of the progression of the posture, and it's very important that you hang out and go through each of those points, because that's the ultimate destination. That's the ultimate way that's going to increase and help you grow in your practice. So let's get started. Focus on the floor, 4 feet in front of you. So I should say bring your feet together, but you already got that. Focus on the floor, 4 feet in front of you, and bring your right foot to the middle of your thigh, really wherever you feel comfortable. Bring your hands in prayer position. Now bend forward, place both hands, 10 fingers on the floor in front of you. Now take it slowly, bend your knee. Remember, go through each point. Now sit down on your heel. Really good work. Now bring both hands to the side of the floor, stretch your spine up towards the ceiling, lift your hips up, and balance on your fingertips. Really good work. Both knees should be in one line to the side, parallel to the floor. So this is what I'm talking about. Go through these points and make sure that they're there. Keep focusing on the floor, 4 feet in front of you. Now slowly bring your left hand up to the center of your chest. You got it. Now, if you can still balance there without moving, bring your right hand up, palms together. That's it. If you just keep working on it. Christine's doing it right. She keeps working on balancing with her left hand up. You got it. Balance there. Beautiful work. Change. Very nice. Come up. That was so good. Tremendous concentration. That was great work. So good. Thank you for joining us. What questions do you have? Post them in the comments, because we want to help you continue to thrive. Practice that will help your body. Remember, it's never about the pose. It's about your body, and it's about improving and healing, deep therapy in your body from this yoga system. We can't wait to see you on your mat. Have a fantastic day.